AI agents often misread context and give wrong answers. When retrieval fails, it's brutally hard to track down and fix. See this example. The error code was in the docs, but the agent still grabbed the wrong file. GuidedMind.ai fixes that. It's a smart context layer that helps you scale, test, and iterate faster. Integrate via MCP, API, or SDK. Let's set up a context layer and demonstrate how to catch and fix that error. To do this, head over to the RAG Builder and click Create. In the dialog box, just fill in a few basics: name, description, knowledge domain, your use case, and click Save. Now it is time to add our documents. I have Getting Started documentation for my app. Let's upload the first 10 documents. You can upload them not only from your computer, but also via URL if they are public documents, or by connecting to Google Drive and selecting files there. The uploader supports various text and spreadsheet file formats. Once the files are uploaded, you can review each document. In our case, let's verify that the documents contain the exact same error code that caused the AI agent to provide a wrong answer when users searched for it. Documents might have some other codes or IDs, which potentially can make AI agent fail to find right document. When all documents are validated, we can review the document settings needed for embedding generation. These sections cover 4 key setting categories: parsing, metadata, chunking, and indexing. Once you've reviewed everything, click Save. You can also apply these settings to all remaining documents at once by clicking the Save and Apply button. Each document keeps its own configuration, letting you precisely control how the platform processes it, ideal when files vary in format or require unique chunking or embedding rules. All documents must be reviewed before the platform can move to the next step. Finally, the status updates to Reviewed, confirming everything is ready for processing. Let's click Process All to generate your embeddings. This step can take a few minutes, depending on how much data you're processing and which rules you've selected. Once processing is complete, you'll see the number of embeddings generated in each document card. Now it's time to test it and check the similarity scores. For this demo, I'll query using our error code, ERRABC123. Since we're testing embeddings, I want to make sure my AI agent actually retrieves what it needs. To do that, I'll lower the similarity threshold and increase top K. In the search results, you can see the matching chunks pulled from the vector database, along with their individual similarity scores. Notice how the correct document containing our error code is ranked second. This demonstrates exactly what the AI agent sees during retrieval: how irrelevant chunks can pollute the context and push the right document out of view. As a result, the agent may never even find the answer it's looking for. The issue here is clear. Similarity scores aren't ideal for exact matches like keywords, IDs, or error codes. We need BM25 indexing instead, which is optimized for keyword search. In GuidedMind.ai, fixing this takes just one click. Simply head back to your settings and switch the retrieval method. When you enable the lexical BM25 indexing flag for updated documents, you'll need to reprocess them. This time, in addition to generating embeddings, the platform will also create BM25 indexes for each document. As a general rule, if your data contains IDs, error codes, or other exact match keywords, BM25 indexing is highly recommended. Now it's time to test again and see how the scores have actually changed. We're using the same query and threshold, but the results look completely different. You'll notice the platform now uses reciprocal rank fusion ranking instead of just raw similarity scores. Most importantly, our error code document is now ranked significantly higher than any other result. This proves that switching to hybrid search by adding BM25 indexes is a real fix for this use case. Curious how GuidedMind.ai integrates with your AI agent? Let me finish setting up our context layer and save the pipeline configuration. That's the final step to unlock access via API, MCP, or SDK. On this screen, you can also test the pipeline directly. For our setup, we just need to confirm that switching to hybrid search is required for the context layer to work properly. Then hit Save. Now in the Publishing Details section, you'll see your full integration setup. You'll get a unique secret key, plus ready-to-use API, SDK, and MCP request details, including both payload and output examples. All you need to do is copy those values and paste them into your AI agent to connect everything together.